Okay guys, we got an accident with a motorcycle down. It is thrashed. Motorcycle is thrashed. That's part of the motorcycle up there. Okay, so I guess somebody just happened up on this motorcycle accident and there's no rider. But this thing's freaking mangled, dude. He has to be out here somewhere. I was looking down here to see if there was a body. So here, okay. So here's his tire marks. He comes around the corner here. The wheel's over there. He had to go off in these bushes right here. He has to be down there because he came this way. Bam! Tire over there. He's got to be in those bushes somewhere. Oh, don't slip on the oil, man. He has to be in those bushes somewhere, dude. Yeah, there's somebody over here. So were there two people on the motorcycle? Because it looks like they're working on somebody right there. That's his helmet, dude. And the front of the motorcycle. So did he have somebody on the back of it? Who's over here? They're looking for somebody. So I thought that was the wheel of the green motorcycle. And it's not, it's another motorcycle. It's like a whole other, looks like it from this distance. He stood it up and I said, oh, that's another motorcycle, like a mini bike. And they did put somebody in the ambulance, so. All right guys, so I just did this and then I hit retake instead of use video. So I'm gonna retake it. I didn't show the person being put into the ambulance. There was no reason to show that. But you have, and apparently, remember when I said that thing was a wheel? I said, wow, the wheel is way over there. No, that's another bike. The deputy stood it up. I thought he was going to pick it up and bring it back over to this motorcycle. But he stood it up and it's like a mini bike. It's got two wheels on it. It's like a little motorcycle. That's what it looks like. You had two small motorcycles out here, the green one and then the one over there that you really can't see it that well from here, but you have this one here which is destroyed. That's all fluid or oil or something. The deputy slipped a little in it, caught his balance. But the one person they were working on, they put into the ambulance. That person is conscious. They were moving their legs around. They covered him with a blanket, put him into the ambulance. That person's conscious. I don't know the extent of the injuries yet, but they're conscious, moving about. The deputies are looking at the other mini bike right now. I could show you because they closed the ambulance door. But the deputies are looking at the other mini bike right now. That's it, right? That's what I thought was the wheel of this green motorcycle. And I said he stood it up, and it's another motorcycle. So we have 2 motorcycles and 1 rider. So where's the other rider? The helmet is right here. Let me get focused. That's the helmet. What you're seeing isn't shaking. It's trying to focus with this flashing light back here, siren. So I think they're looking for the other rider. So we're missing a rider, which is not good at all.